BodyBreak with Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod.
One of the nice things about being a part of BodyBreak is having the opportunity to encourage the youngsters to become more active and eat healthier.
And one important nutrient is protein. Protein is essential for the repair, maintenance, and growth for things like your muscles, bones, and hair. And I have a pasta recipe that's low in fat and high in protein. Boil 3 centimeters in diameter of pasta enriched with protein until tender. No need to add the butter, oil, or salt. Cut up and steam 1 carrot, a celery stalk, and 6 bite-sized pieces of cauliflower. Slowly heat about 250 milliliters of low-fat, low-sodium pasta sauce. Once heated, add the vegetables, stir, and pour over the protein pasta. This complete meal for one provides you with a good source of protein without the fat, cholesterol, or sodium often associated with other high-protein foods.
These kids are our future, so let's help them stay healthy with the proper foods and daily physical activity. From the students at Pauline Vanier School, be fit and have fun!
BodyBreak.
Thanks for watching this video.
And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the BodyBreak channel for more awesome videos.
Until next time, keep fit and have fun.